Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping hair and creating workable sections. Start now with dry, residue-free hair. Divide into 0. 5 1-inch sections following natural parting. Use clips to isolate one section so you can focus. Take the brush and, using short controlled strokes toward the scalp, stimulate tangling at the roots. This forms the base. Once done with one row, move systematically across the head. Make sure to keep section sizes consistent for even dread thickness. You now convert sections into tight mats by brushing and rolling. First, briskly brush root to tip to encourage snagging, then palm roll each section firmly for 20-30 seconds to align fibers and compress the hair. Alternate clockwise and counterclockwise rolling to avoid flat spots. Repeat this routine every 2-3 days for the first 6-12 weeks. The goal is progressive tightening rather than instant locks. Because buildup stalls locking, make sure to avoid heavy products so hair can naturally bind. You finish by nurturing and fixing common problems as the dreads mature. Continue weekly washes with residue-free shampoo and palm roll trouble spots after every wash. That encourages internal matting. If two dreads fuse, gently separate at the root with a wide pick. Do not cut unless necessary. When a section resists locking, increase your brushing frequency and palm roll it twice daily until it tightens. Finally, be patient. Freeform texture changes over months, and consistent light maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.